This week I want to talk about the waste of one might be the treasure of someone else. I'm talking about old wires and cables. I always have some wires and cables laying around, and they're just fantastic. Some people just they dump it, but they are fantastic. Like if they have a certain size, they are perfect for hoses to do your plumbing, or maybe ignition cables, or even lines like brake lines. They're just fantastic for all of that. So if you find something in your trash or someone else's trash, don't waste it. It's a treasure. But this was the tip of this week.